Want to add eyelets without an eyelet machine? Here's how to do it in minutes. Stay with me. For this tutorial, we'll be needing your eyelets, whatever size you want, your eyelet and the washer. And then you'll be needing your scissors. You'll be needing your soldering iron. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can make use of your scissors. It's not like important. It's just that it helps you make better holes. Then you'll be needing your hammer. The first thing you need to do is you need to mark your hole, like mark where you want your eyelet hole to be. And please, if you're doing this, make sure the holes are measured. If it's 2 inches in between, let it be 2 inches in between. This is a scrap fabric, that's why I'm just marking. The point of this is to just show you how to put the eyelets. So I'm going to be using my soldering iron to open the holes first, and then I will use my scissors so that you see that it's the same thing if you don't have a soldering iron. So what I'm going to do with the scissors is I'm going to take my garments and I'm going to fold that spot where I made the hole and then give a cut like you see me do. You can do this in different ways. Just try to make a round cut, something that looks like a round cut. It's not very hard, like a notch kind of cut on the spots where you want the eyelet to be. This is what I just did here now. So you see the ones I made with the scissors, how it looks, and then the one I made with the soldering iron. The difference is actually clear. Now the first thing to do is you're going to take your eyelets and then you're going to try to force it into the hole. Mind you, whatever hole you're making, you're not making it very big. You're making it a little bit smaller than the eyelet, so that when you want to fix the eyelet, you literally have to like force it through the hole. That way it is snugged. If your hole is bigger than your eyelet, by the time you finish fixing the eyelet and you want to pull, it's going to like the eyelet is going to remove. So fix the eyelet, push it in, make sure it's like this inside the hole. Then you get the washer. The washer is basically like the back of the eyelet itself, like the cover. When you say the washer, you're going to know which part is the right side. Just look at what I'm doing. Then after fixing the washer through the eyelet, you're going to use your scissors to create notches on the eyelets, the protruding part of the eyelets. You're going to create notches all around. On this size of eyelet, 5 notches is very okay for it. Just create the notches. Just watch what I'm doing carefully. After making the notches, you want to place the fabric or your garment on a flat surface like you see me do, and then use your scissors. You can use the scissors, you can use a screwdriver, you can use anything that has a flat point to press those edges where you made the notches. The notches is to basically make it easier for you to like bend the eyelet towards the washer. Just exactly what I'm doing. So all you have to do is those places where you made the notches, just use them to like bend the eyelets on top of the washer. Make sure you do this carefully so that you don't spoil your fabric. On top of the washer. Look at that. See, it's still a bit rough. So after doing this, after pressing it a bit and making sure that all pointed edge is relaxed, you're going to use your hammer to hit it a little bit, bit by bit, just to smoothen all around it. Now this is what I have. So I'm going to do that again. Please just watch what I'm doing.
think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess we live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me.
So you see my neat and secure eyelets with no meshing needed. So let me know if you'll try this in your next project. Please subscribe, like and share these hacks. Thank you for watching.